this is the most asked review of a product, and this is a complete sold out product in South Korea. I make skincare related review videos so that you guys get to know the details of a product before investing your money in any skincare. So if you are interested in that kind of content, you can subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'm talking about the VT Reedle Short 100. Now the price of this product is 46 Canadian dollars, and it comes in a very pharmacy kind of packaging. Like the first time you see this product, feels like a pharmaceutical skincare, honestly. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about what this product is, how to use this, who need to use this, and when you are supposed to use this. So make sure you pay a little attention to this video, because I'm gonna talk deeply about how this product works, because it is not your any other skincare product. This is a product that you actually need to know how to use before using this product, and what is the science behind these Reedle shots. So first, let's talk about what this product is. This is an ampoule dubbed as a micro needling in a bottle. This mimics the same effect as your micro needling treatment to restore your skin radiance and enhance your skin barrier. This product helps promote the deep penetration of your skincare actives like niacinamide, vitamin C, retinols, hyaluronic acid, and centella. Now every time you use this product, you're gonna feel prickling sensation on your face because it contains hydrolyzed sponge, which is a cosmetic grade sponge microneedles naturally derived from sea sponges, and it contains splendid needles ranging 20 to 200 ohm. Now because of the hydrolyzed sponges, it activates the epidermis, which is the top layer of your skin. It's microcirculation, and it helps deliver deep penetration of the products that you use afterward. However, studies also showed that after using this product, the product absorption is 3000 times more than what actually absorbs. Now because of the deep absorption of all these active ingredient, it does help in clearing out your acne. It helps in taking care of your pores. It also helps with your dark spot, blackheads, and whiteheads. Now this product is dermatologically tested, and it is non-irritating, which makes it suitable for all skin types. Now let's talk about who need to use this product. Anyone who have skin concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spot, and they are using actives, but they want their actives to absorb deep into the skin for better results, they can use this product, because the only ampoule that this product contain is niacinamide, so it really help your other actives to absorb deep into your skin. Now this product is dermatologically tested. Still, I would recommend taking a patch test before applying directly onto your skin, because it may cause sensitivity to your skin. Now let's talk about how to use this product. So in the evening, after washing your face, apply this product directly on your skin. Don't apply too much, but also don't apply too less. I would say 3 pumps is enough, 1 on each cheek and half on your forehead and on your chin area. Now don't rub it on your skin, just apply it gently, just like this. You have to swipe it on your skin and then just let it absorb by pressing it into your skin. So this is the right method of using this product. Don't use this product in the daytime, because you don't want your makeup and your sunscreen to go deep down into your skin. You want your actives to go deep down into your skin, so keep that in mind. Don't use this in the morning. And if you start using this product, or anyways, just apply your sunscreen in the daytime, otherwise your skin will be damaged. And if you're just starting out with this product, or if you're planning to buy this product, I would say for 1 week, don't use any active or anything else with this product. Just use your face wash, your Reedle shot, and then your moisturizer on your skin, nothing else. After 1 week, when your skin is used to this, then you can start putting actives in your routine. Now if you have VT 100 shot, you can apply it every day. If you have 300, you can apply it 3 times a day. If you have 700, you can apply it once a week. So that is how you are supposed to apply these on your skin. And since we are talking about the 100, so you can apply it every day on your skin. So one more thing you need to keep in mind while using this product: don't use any medical device with this, like the red light therapy, or if you have just done any skin treatment, or you just took a facial or anything, don't use this product. Also, don't use any harsh AHAs or BHAs in your skincare routine when using this product, because it is also micro needling, and if you're still using AHA, BHA and harsh scrub on your face, then for sure you're gonna get breakouts on your skin. Let's talk about what this product is compatible with. If you are looking for anti-aging properties, use a retinol after that. If you are looking for skin brightening and dark spot correcting, apply a vitamin C serum after that. And for acne care, apply salicylic acid after using this product. You have to add your actives after using this product because then it's gonna get absorbed into your skin and not the other way around. A disclaimer for sensitive skin: don't use actives with this product because it may cause sensitivity to your skin. Use this product alone, or if you want to repair your skin barrier and help with your sensitivity, try using serums or moisturizer that has ceramides or peptides in that. Let's talk about the benefits of this product. This product helps soothing your overall skin. This product helps immensely with your skin texture. If you have textured skin, this is gonna help with that. If you have blackhead, whitehead issue, this is gonna help with that. It also helps in controlling the oil production of your skin. It also helps with dealing the hyperpigmentation. So it is just like a micro needling effect but in a bottle, and little bit more affordable than a micro needling. That is all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.